Good morning, students. How are you? How was your Raksha Bandhan? Okay. Have you cleared all the topics? Chapter 8, Cell Structure and Function. Myself, Sapna Gautam. I am going to teach next topic of this chapter, like prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. I have told you these topics online class also. So let's explain more clearly in today's video. Prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, what are the main differences between plant cells and animal cells, vacuoles, plastids, some topics left in this chapter we will study about. Okay, first of all we will study about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स मीन्स कैरियोट का मतलब होता है न्यूक्लियस. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स मीन्स द सेल्स हैविंग न्यूक्लियस बट नो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. बट नो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. गॉट इट. सेल्स जिनमें न्यूक्लियस तो होता है बट न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं पाई जाती. न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल पाया जाता है बट न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन पूरी तरह से डेवलप नहीं होती. ओके. सेल्स हैविंग न्यूक्लियस बट नो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डेवलप्ड प्रॉपरली नॉन एज प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स. एंड इफ वी talk about eukaryotic cells, then we must say cells having nucleus with nuclear membrane. With nuclear membrane known as eukaryotic cells. Okay, is that clear? प्रोकैरियोटिक न्यूक्लियस होता है बट न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन मीन्स न्यूक्लियस के जो चारों ओर इट बाउंडेड अ मेम्ब्रेन नॉन एज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. इट डज नॉट हैव न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन प्रॉपरली बट इन द केस ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स देयर इज न्यूक्लियस सराउंडेड विद न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नॉन एज यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स. और इफ यू गो अबाउट द एग्जांपल्स देन बैक्टीरिया and blue-green alga. Blue-green algae are the example of prokaryotic cells, and onion cell and cheek cells are examples of eukaryotic cells. Got it? These are the examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay, let's go for vacuoles. Vacuoles क्या होते हैं? In the cells, blank looking space. Blank looking space known as vacuoles. Some cells have small vacuoles and some cells have larger vacuoles. Some have single vacuole and some have more than one vacuoles. If we talk about plant cells, then plant cells have large vacuole in the center. Large vacuole, or in the case of animal cell, there is smaller vacuoles and there is one and big vacuole, and there is more than one and smaller vacuoles in the animal cells. Okay, so these are used for many purposes: fill substances and food vacuoles, sap vacuoles. There are many purposes in that vacuoles are used. And next is plastids. Plastids. What are plastids? Plastids, colored bodies that present in cytoplasm. Colored bodies that are present in cells known as plastids. Plastids, there are of different types. They are non-colored also, green colored, and green colored plastids known as plastids known as chloroplast. Chloroplast. They are found in cells of leaves. लीव्स सेल्स होते हैं, उनमें ये पाए जाते हैं, scattered in the cytoplasm of leaf cells, and some of them contain green pigment known as chlorophyll. इसमें क्लोरोफिल होते हैं क्लोरोप्लास्ट में, और ये ग्रीन पिगमेंट है दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट like leaves and used for making food known as photosynthesis. So plastids colored bodies होती हैं that are present in cells, and green colored plastids present in leaf cells known as chloroplast, and chlorophyll also present in chloroplast that helps to making food in plants known as photosynthesis. The next topic is plant cell and animal cell. What are the main differences between plant cells and animal cells? We study about plant cells and animal cells, how we differentiate both type of cells. Look at this figure, that is plant cell. Okay, so you have to draw these figures neatly in your notebook. If we talk about plant cell, then it is the outer protective structure known as cell wall. It is present only in the plants. Cell wall, it is rigid structure that present in the plant cell only, that is known as cell wall. It provides rigidity and protection to the cell. Animal cell do not have cell wall. Okay, so first if we take comparison between both of cells, then we can say first plant cells, they have cell wall, but they do not have. They do not have. And look at this figure. This is vacuole, a big vacuole present in plant cell, and nucleus that separates cytoplasm and cell membrane. Nucleus present in plant cells at the side, not in the center, and in the case of animal cell, nucleus is present in the center. And a small structure also present in nucleus known as nucleolus. Known as nucleolus, small structure present in nucleus. Also thread-like structures are present in nucleus known as chromosomes. And this jelly-like substance present in plant and animal cell both, known as cytoplasm. Known as cytoplasm. And there is only one vacuole, have large, big vacuole in the center, in the main part, covers the main part of the plant cell, and there is more than one vacuoles present in animal cells and smaller size than plant cells. Got it? So, from this figure, we know clearly what are the main differences between plant cell and animal cell. First is this, they have cell wall and they do not have, and there is big vacuole and there is smaller vacuoles. Smaller vacuole. And in this case, nucleus is not present in the center, is not in center, and in the case of animal cell, it is present in center. There is one vacuole, single vacuole present. There is more than one. More than one means maybe किसी सेल में वैक्यूल्स नहीं भी होती हैं, कई बार छोटी होती हैं और कई बार नहीं होती और कई बार नहीं पाई जाती वैक्यूल्स. ओके, साइटोप्लाज्म में दोनों में पाया जाता है. एंड सेल मेम्ब्रेन आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन बोथ ऑफ सेल्स. सो this is the main comparison. If you talk about plant cells and animal cells, you have to learn properly, and also neat and clean draw diagrams also. Learn proper, in the proper way you have to learn this chapter. Draw diagrams, colorful diagrams, use sketches also, you can use also. So प्लीज़ ऑनलाइन क्लास ज़रूर अटेंड करें. ऑनलाइन क्लास में हम आगे का सिलेबस भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो रिवाइज प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स विच विल कम इन द पीरियोडिक टेस्ट टू. ओके, सो कीप सेफ and keep healthy. Thanks.